This is how to make a mini Lego sandwich. Okay, so first take this brick with all the space hub studs for the body. Then take a jumper plate and then take some of some silver studs like that. I will recognize this blue, but I don't have. So yeah. And to make the torso, just put a smooth circle tile or square or whatever, doesn't matter. So you have that. And to make the head, just a minute. You put the head like that and just turn it 450 degrees like that, and the eyes, do not turn that because that is for the chin. And take a 1x1 square smooth like that. So you have that. And to make the arms, just you will need that blue grabby pieces. Then put that on the sides of the sound wave like that. So you have that. Next, you'll need one of these tiles and then stick it at the back. Just a minute. So you will have that. The back, the cover, and you will need this 4 remaining parts. So I'm just gonna recommend this 2 1x2s in light blue and a 1x2 at dark blue. So like that. So just stick that there. Stick the so you have that. So the dark blue is the feet, and take another of the light blue and just stick it at the top of each other. So you have that. And then stick that there. So you have that. So I'm just gonna show you. This is the studs is the thighs, and this the light blue is the leg, and this is the feet, the dark blue. And this is the torso, the head, the back. I just covered the back with that, and the hands, So this is non-transformable, but it really looks cool. So just like, comment, subscribe. This is a video by Elvira Rivera signing out.